Good afternoon, everyone. From the Central Illinois Fire Network Weather Center, I'm Larry Estep. We have additional levee breaches occurring just as we speak across portions of the Mississippi River yet again. Let's go back to the maps. We're going to show you what we're talking about here as the situation continues to evolve. First of all, let's show you this flash flood warning that just has been issued. Or actually, we'll go to the map, okay? Computer has a different idea. Let's tell you that this situation we were talking about a little bit earlier for the Springfield, Missouri area, these storms are starting to grow in size, these two supercells, and they're beginning to look like they may merge. A tornado warning has now been issued for eastern Christian County in Missouri until 4:45. At 4:01 this afternoon, National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to indicate a tornado between Ozark and Linden, moving south at 33 miles an hour. 81-mile-per-hour winds have also been reported with this storm at 3:45. In addition to a likely tornado, this storm will produce widespread winds to 80 miles an hour. Residents of Ozark, Linden, Sparta, Christian Center, and Chadwick should seek shelter immediately. Folks in Branson, if you're there, take shelter because these storms are moving now south at about 33 miles an hour. So Branson, you could see a tornadic storm before 5 p.m. Keep an eye on that. Let's go back here to the other radar image, and I want to show you. Actually, we'll skip that. We'll come back to that. Let's go to this radar image here and show you a new flash flood warning just to the south of the one we told you about a little bit ago for eastern Lincoln County until 7:45 in east central Missouri due to a levee break around 144 near Highway M in eastern Lincoln County. We now have a flash flood warning for northeastern Lincoln County in east central Missouri and southeastern Pike County in northeast Missouri until 9:30 p.m. this evening. At 3:28 Central Time, Lincoln County Emergency Management reported a levee break just north of Highway M in northeast Lincoln County that is impacting much of the Ellsbury Levee District in both northeast Lincoln and southeast Pike counties. Flash flooding can be quickly expected to inundate with water the area from just east of Highway 79 to the Mississippi River, bounded to the north near Anata and extending southward to near Highway M. Again, bounded to the north near Anata and extending southward to near Highway M. Areas further south are already in a flash flood warning due to previous levee failures. The flooding may also impact the eastern extremities of the town of Ellsbury. So here's what we're talking about just to the north of St. Louis again. Draw a line up from O'Fallon there, and you can see these two flash flood warnings, northeastern Lincoln and southeastern Pike County in Missouri until 9:30, eastern Lincoln County until 7:45. I have a feeling we're not done with these levee breaches yet, unfortunately. I wish I had better news to give you here this afternoon. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but this mass of storms as well is going to have to really bear watching. You can see just underneath the I-44 symbol there, I want to touch on that just again. Those two supercells starting to merge into one near Branson. Watch out for that. Wichita to Kansas City, you've got some big storms there as well. And Kansas City north to almost Des Moines, look at that mess of storms moving to the south and east. So folks along the Mississippi that are sandbagging in areas such as Quincy and Hannibal, you do have the chance of some storms this evening. I think most of it's going to stay in Missouri and hopefully west of the Mississippi, but this isn't a good sign for the Missouri River, which is just cresting today. It may start to rise again as flash flooding starts to occur. And if we can go back to that image again here real quick from Branson, I can show you that flash flood warning also has been issued for the Springfield, Missouri area and northward. Those are areas that had major flash flooding last week, now starting to see that again. So a very active afternoon to say the least. Tornado warnings, flash flood warnings across Missouri, and we will keep an eye on it right here in the Central Illinois Fire Network Weather